Ernest Casino account, and today I'm gonna share with you one thing that we're going to do this coming spring break, and we're going to repaint or change the paint of our bathroom in our first floor, and I will show you what it looks like before, and then I will give you also an update for during our renovation after the project. There you go, guys. So this is our bathroom here in our first floor. So as you can see, there's already like a portion that is wrapped because we took a towel hanger over there, and as you can see, the color is kind of we're gonna change the color to white. So this is it, guys. It's just a small bathroom. And we're gonna add a little decoration for this. So we already purchased some of the rep part of the wall, as you can see, and then some cardboard on the floor, and then this is for prevention for dripping of the paint on the floor. To finish taping the edges or the frame of the doors, and this is ready for painting. Yeah, there you go. We are repainting our bathroom. So that's the original color, and we're gonna change to this color, white. As you can see, guys, all the electric fixtures are removed except for the light, because we need light as of now. And some edges, corners of the room is painted using brush, and we're gonna run a roller for the white surface to make it more nicer look and result. After we're taking some tape. This is what it looks like after we repaint. Yes, it looks much better. Taking all the tape on the frame of the door. Here you go, guys. So it is really fresh painted now, and our bathroom is now also, we're gonna halfway going there. Just need one more coating, and this is gonna be done. it's a little bit darker here because of the light. We don't have light as of now. We took off the fixture. This is the progress right now, and later on I will show you the finished work. So this is the second coating. My husband is painting right now using a roller, and I'll show you once it's done, guys. To remove the tape. There you go, guys, it's done and it's already painted in a different color, and I also add some details in our bathroom. So I'm gonna put a diffuser on top of that wall shelf. Go. That's really neat looking right now. It's clean. And hope you guys enjoy watching this video and the content. Hope that it will give some tip and ideas, renovation, or adding a little details or bathroom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! Thank you for watching. Until next time.